Police have arrested 4 suspected armed robbers believed to be involved in a spate of armed robberies in Bulawayo, Matabeleland, Midlands provinces and other areas. The suspects were wearing new Zimbabwe national colors and no explanation as to why. 1. Sizwezan Kosin Longwani NRO 3100464T03 of 7 Spencer, West Somerton, Bulawayo. 2. Bruce Makara NR 83199291L83 of 3521 Mahachula, Bulawayo. 3. Don Tanaka Masukum NR 88630998B56 of 7 Spencer, West Somerton, Bulawayo. 4. Ishunishu Gumbo NR not held of 98 Kinvia, Sunninghill, Bulawayo. The 4 suspects were driving a gray Toyota Wish with registration number EP4765, gray in color. 2 pistols, a Taurus SA with serial number TDT11347 and Star pistol with serial number 1,602,689 with 3x9mm live rounds of ammunition were recovered from the suspect. A bayonet was also recovered from the accused. Police stations are urged to contact Oaxid's to check if these suspects are linked to some of the cases they are investigating. The police reports that on 20th of September at 0950 hours, 1 person died and 4 others were seriously injured in a RTA when the Volvo 540 motor vehicle they were traveling in had a head-on collision with a Rimby bus which was traveling in the opposite direction towards Harare. The RTA occurred at the 40 km peg along the Harare-Nyamaponda road. The body of the deceased, identified as Tatenda Karika Zonda 45 years of Newstands, Murwa, was referred to Murwa District Hospital for postmortem whilst the injured were also referred to the same hospital. Drivers are always advised to exercise extreme caution on the road, avoid speeding and overtaking when it is not safe to do so. Police in Madlambuzi are investigating a case of murder in which a woman, Agnes Nube, 92, died on 19th of September at Gotshambo village after she had been assaulted with booted feet by her cousin, Lucas Ngwenya 44 years on 15th of September for failing to locate a plate used for feeding dogs. The suspect is currently serving a 5-month jail term at Plum Tree Prison for another offense. Police in Mat South are investigating circumstances surrounding a robbery case which occurred on 16th of September in Colleen Bon in which 10 unidentified suspects attacked a 31-year-old man before stealing $40,000 cash and a cell phone from a couple. In a related case, on the same day, 10 unidentified suspects pounced at a homestead in Colleen Bon and robbed another couple of its 315,000 South African Rand cash, cell phone and Ford Ranger car keys from. Anyone with information to contact any nearest police station or PGHQ complaints desk on 0242 700 3631.